today we're gonna make potato cheese ball. Before that, I want to introduce our group.
My name is Iman.
My name is Dea.
My name is Michael.
My name is Simon.
My name is Aris.
And my name is Jessia, and we are from Science 1. Ingredients that we use are milk, flour, cheese, mozzarella cheese, breadcrumbs, eggs, spring onion, potato, and seasoning. Oh, and milk.
Potato cheese ball. First step, the potato has boiled and make mashed potato. Second step, add 2 tablespoons of flour. Seasoning, spring onion, then mix it.
Third, pour milk and egg to this dough and mix again. After that, make the mashed potato until it forms a ball.
Step 5. Slice the cheese. Like this, and then put the cheese into the potato balls. Like this.
Dip potato cheese balls into the egg, then roll into the breadcrumbs. Like this.
The oil. Then fry the potato cheese ball until the color golden brown. Okay. Oh. Then well the potato cheese balls, and then you can eat after that.
Udah ya, kasihin dulu. Tinggal ini.
Apa-apa tinggal ini.